Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to create or edit a subject in Dynamics 365 customer service. So subject is an organizational categorization of either a case entity or a knowledge base entity. Now let me show you how we can do that. First, create a new case. So click on new case button from here. So give me some information like case title and then select the customer from here. Now I am selecting as A Datum Corporation and you will see element called a subject. And when I click on subject from here, so by default it give me some hierarchy from here and select from hierarchy. Then I can specify what subject is it belong. Now I select this Microsoft and then click on save button from here. So while adding a case entity, I was presented with a subject. So subject allow me to put the case against a specific category. And under the knowledge, click on knowledge article from here. So I want to create new knowledge article. So click on new button and give the title as test case and click on save button and specify something called as subject. Go to the summary tab from here and scroll down. So the hierarchy on which this knowledge article is based out of, so under publish setting. So I can see subject, and once I click on the drop down, I can select a specific item. Now I can save the knowledge article from here. So how do we create a knowledge article subject? So firstly, navigate to the Copilot Service Admin Center and under the customer support, click on case setting. Now I can see the subject is here. Then click on manage. So firstly enable this. So I have already enabled this. So as I can see the subject tree. So from here add a root level item and in the title so give the name as test subject new and put the parent subject. If I don't want to put the parent subject, then it will be added into the root. And if you want to give the description, you can give it from here. Now click on save and close button. Now this parent subject has been added here. So click on three dot and under that I can add child element. So click on that add from here. Give the title as child 1. Now click on save and close from here. Now click on drop down. So child 1 is added here. Now again I want to add one more child. So click on three dot and then click on add. Give the title as child 2 and I have option to disable this item so that I don't want people to select this. So I can put the visibility feature mark as no and then click on save and close button. So you can see the hidden icon comes into the picture. I have my subject defined. So go back to the customer service hub application and create a new case. Give the title as test subject new. Select the customer from here. Now I'm selecting as A Datum Corporation. Now click on subject from here. So I should technically see the new item which I have recently added. And once I expand that test subject new, so I can see the child one only. So I cannot see the child 2 because it is disabled. So this is how you can add a case item subject and which will help you categorize your case item based on some hierarchy as you can use a similar subject for specifying knowledge article as well. So in this video we covered how to create or edit a subject in Dynamics 365 customer service. Thanks for watching.